Here is an exam question on circles, and in the second part, finding solutions to simultaneous equations graphically. So the first part, we should first realize that x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared for any circle centered at the origin. In this case, r squared is equal to 169. This is a non-calculated question, so we should know the square root of 169 is equal to 13. So if I go ahead and draw that, that means my circle is going to be crossing both axes at 13 and negative 13. Drawing a smooth curve through. Something like that. The second part, use your graph. So we need to use our graph to find estimates for the solutions of the simultaneous equations. So the first curve is already drawn for us. Well, not drawn for us, we've done that in part A. The second equation is a linear equation, so that's just a straight line. Y equals, if you put that in the form y equals mx plus c, then we can try and see where that line is and sketch it above. So if I divide both sides by 2, I'll put y as the subject, so it's 3 over 2x. Now, I'm going to bring that up here with more space. So to be able to sketch this curve, to sketch this straight line, we need a couple of points on the line to be able to plot it. So let's do multiples of 2 because the denominator is a 2. So we could do 0, and then obviously it's going to be 0. If I put 2 in, I get, so 3 over 2 times 2, that's just going to give you 3. If I put 4, it's going to give me 6. So plotting these points, 0, 0, 2, 3. So that's about over here. And then 4, 6. It's probably easier to draw, 4, 6. Right, so our straight line, if I get my ruler, my straight line is going to be somewhere here. Okay. Now, to find estimates for the solutions, we're looking at the intersection points. So where the two equations meet. So the x and y for both is going to be the same. So the first point, let's say this is the first point, so that's x1, y1. That's going to be 7.2, 7.211. And x2, y2 will be the same thing but negative. So these are my final answers.